Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to go live on the Coverstar app step by step. If you want to interact with your followers in real time, chat with viewers, and grow your audience, going live is a great way to connect with the community. First, open the Coverstar app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your profile page and look for the live or go live option inside the app. If you don't see the option immediately, make sure your account meets the requirements for live streaming and that your app is updated to the latest version available. Next, tap the Go Live button and allow the app to access your camera and microphone if prompted. After that, enter a little description for your live stream. Before starting, check your internet connection. When you're ready, tap Start or Go Live. During the stream, you can interact with viewers, respond to comments, and engage with your audience in real time. Once you're finished streaming, tap the End Live button. Coverstar supports live streaming as part of its creator features and community tools for users on the platform. And that's it. That's how you can go live on Coverstar. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.